Hello guys, welcome back to TrikMantra. If your PC has become slow or laggy, don't worry today. I'll show you how to make it faster in just 1 minute, and the best part, without using any software. So let's begin. Sometimes our computer becomes slow because too many visual effects are running in the background, things like animations, shadows, and transitions. They look nice, but they use extra RAM and CPU, which can slow down your system, especially on older PCs or laptops. Now let's fix that step by step. First, press Windows or key together. This will open the Run box. In the Run box, type System Properties Performance, all one word, and click OK. Now you'll see the Performance Options window. Here you'll find several options like let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. Select the third one, adjust for best performance. This setting turns off all those fancy animations and effects that slow down your PC. After selecting it, click Apply, and then click OK. That's it. You've now optimized your system for better performance. You'll notice that your PC feels lighter, apps open faster, and your overall speed has improved. Now, check your PC performance and tell me in the comments. How much faster does your system feel after doing this? If this trick worked for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TrikMantra for more simple and powerful tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.